Hastas are hand gestures according to Bharata Muni's Natya Shastra. Hastas are of three types: Asamyuta Hasta, Samyuta Hasta, Nritta Hasta. Hasta Asamyuta Hastas are single hand gestures. Asamyuta Hasta, according to Nandikeshwara's Abhinaya Darpana, are 28 in number. Asamyuta Hasta nirupyante. Patakas, Tripatako, Ardhapatakas, Kartari Mukaha, Mayurakyo, Ardhachandrascha, Arala, Shukatundakaha, Mustischa, Shikarakyascha, Kapetta, Katakamukaha, Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosha, Sarpashirastatha, Mrugashirsha, Simhamuko, Kangulascha, Alapadmakaha, Chaturo, Bhramaraschaiva, Hamsasyo, Hamsapakshakaha, Sandamsho, Mukulaschaiva, Tamrachuda, Trishulakaha, Ashtavimshati, Asthanam evam Namani Vaikramat.